Hi everyone, and welcome to the next episode with the Robinson family. This is a basic or elementary level English playthrough. In a previous episode, I introduced the family to you. We went over personality traits or characteristics. We went over attire or clothing, and general looks like hair color and eye color. If you want to see that video, I will link that above. Today, we are going to focus on 3 of the most common verbs in the English language. Once you master these 3 verbs, you will know a lot of English and you will understand a lot of what we're saying. So it's important to practice these first. The first verb is be. It's either a permanent or temporary state of being. I am Sarah. The next word is do. Do is a strong action word, and it usually is connected to a noun, such as dishes. If I'm cleaning dishes, I do the dishes. I'll show you in the video in a moment. Our final word is go. I go to the grocery store. It's talking about traveling to a place. Let's take a look a little bit more specifically with our Sims family, the Robinsons. Here we have Barry Robinson. He is a vet. He is a vet or veterinarian. A veterinarian takes care of animals. He's an animal doctor. But Barry isn't just a vet. He also does the laundry every day. Here he is right now with the laundry. Barry does the laundry every day. Here we have Ava, their teenage daughter. She does her homework every afternoon after school. She does her homework every afternoon. In the evenings, Barry and their dog Cosmo go for a walk. They go for a walk. And here they are. Cosmo loves to go for walks. Hunter does his homework later in the evenings. Right now, it's about 7 o'clock p.m., and he does his homework at this time every night, even though you can't see it. Oh dear. Oh, oh well. You know the idea. So Ava is very responsible. She does the dishes a lot. She does the dishes a lot. Ava and her brother Hunter are kids. Ava's a little older, but they are kids. Hillary is a scientist. She is a scientist. She and Barry are married. They are married. We don't normally say all the words as full words. They are married. Instead, we say they're married. They're married. She's a student. She is a student. She's a student. He's a student as well. He's a student. Cosmo's a dog. Cosmo's a dog. Cosmo's a hungry dog. Oh no. Barry goes to bed at about 10 o'clock every night. He goes to bed. With go, we don't shorten the words. It's always he goes. They go to bed at about 10:45 every night. Ava, though, is energized. She's awake. She doesn't go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. She stays awake. Have you noticed the trend or the pattern of these sentences yet? They go to bed every night. She goes to work every day. Ava does her homework in the afternoons. Hunter does his homework in the evenings. At the end of the sentence, we have a time or a place or something that is habitual, that always happens. It's not a one-time action. It happens regularly. Every day, Ava goes to bed late at night. Every day, Barry and his wife go to bed at 10 o'clock. Some days they may not. It's not 100% all the time, but it's the usual habit. So the simple present is usually focused on habits or more permanent ways of being. For example, I'm Sarah. I'm always Sarah. She's Ava. She's always Ava. He's Hunter. He's always Hunter. So they're habitual actions or ways of being. So those are our verbs for today. We have be, do, and go. So tell me in the comments, what time every day do you go to work or school? Who in your family does the dishes? Here's an example. In my family, I do the dishes. Answer in full sentences in the comments, and I will read every single one and respond. Thank you so much for watching the second episode. Please stay tuned for episode number 3, which is going to focus on the present progressive. Please make sure to click subscribe and like and comment below. That helps me so much to create great content for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!